Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making connectivity certain. Put your iPhone and Apple TV on the same Wi-Fi and confirm both use the same Apple ID. Once done, unlock the iPhone and open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on modern iPhones. Make sure the Apple TV is powered on and awake. The remote pairing will only appear when the set-top box is reachable. If you don't see the remote icon yet, continue to the next step to add it manually. Now locate the remote icon in Control Center and tap it. A list of nearby Apple TVs will appear. If the icon is absent, go to Settings, choose Control Center, then add Apple TV Remote to include it in Quick Access. Select your Apple TV from the displayed devices. The iPhone will attempt a secure handshake. You may see a 4-digit code on the TV. Enter it on your iPhone when prompted. This verifies the connection and initializes the remote controls. With pairing complete, use the on-screen touchpad to swipe and tap like a physical remote. Open the keyboard for text entry and use playback buttons for media control. If the remote won't connect, restart both devices and try pairing again. This clears transient network or Bluetooth issues. Make sure both devices run recent software and remain on the same Wi-Fi and Apple ID. One troubleshooting tip: sign out and back into iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.